Okay, I'm at Sutherland train station on platform 1 to 2 side. The rest from the lift. The lift on the platform 3 to 2 side has been modernised. This used to be a nice Kone monospace lift from the 99s. And here it is. It's been modernised with Liftronic.
Is it free travel today, mate?
I'm just filming the
Free
lift.
travel?
Huh?
Is it free travel today?
Yeah,
It is. Okay, thanks, mate.
close the door. This lift, probably being modernised with Liftronic. This used to be a Kone monospace lift from the 99s. Thank you. Oh, I think I saw something.
Going up. Doors closing. Please mind the doors.
Close the doors. Close. I think I saw something. Let's see something out. Oh, this did used to be a Kone monospace lift, but it's been modernised with Liftronic. But they just couldn't modernise it with Kone with Dewhurst button, what they did at Bondi. So that's about it. I hope you guys enjoy. See you guys next episode. Bye.